So I will invite Sri Sunil Mehta, DGM ICICI Bank, to give his valuable talks. Thank you.
Before we start with this presentation, how could I forgot a very important company, TRS Forms, who are doing a lot of innovations in the sector of education. So I would like to invite Mr. Sarang Gangan, VP, Vice President of TRS Forms, on stage. A round of applause for Mr. Gangan, please. Sir, please join us. Ma'am Ritu Maheshwari from Skill Development Department, Government of Uttar Pradesh, she is joining us shortly. She is at the venue itself, but she is joining us in some minutes.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and thank you once again for having me here. Unfortunately, our presentation got mixed up, so it's not opening right now. But what is ICICI Bank doing in education? The same thing that I had mentioned earlier about government, what we are doing in education is trying to do customized solutions for the education sector. So normally what happens in the education sector, the basic requirement that comes up is for a payment gateway. Most of the education institutions have their own website, and they want a payment gateway to be installed on their website so that they can collect the fees online. However, what we have done with a specific university, the SRM University in Chennai, was they wanted to develop a bigger software wherein they could not only capture the payment which is being made by the person, but also multiple details that they wanted. So what we have done for them is primarily, so when a person goes to a website of the SRM University, he chooses the course, the campus, multiple things, and then he chooses the fees also. So when the payment comes to ICICI Bank, we not only capture the payment details, we also capture most of these other details also with us, and then appropriately provide that back to the SRM University. How that helps is, SRM has a hierarchical structure. So for example, a program department wants to see which of my program these students have taken. Maybe at an institute level, there will be multiple programs. At multiple institutes, some director is sitting and he wants to see what is happening for each of my institutes. So we provide hierarchical access to each of these people, so they can see how much fees has been paid, how many students have been enrolled, and all that kind of information. So that has helped SRM is to ensure that they capture all the details, but they show only that much detail which is necessary for that person. So for example, a person at level 1 can see the details required by that person. A senior will be able to see all people under him. So this way, SRM has been able to capture multiple information with that same one payment gateway. So while a normal payment gateway captures the payment details, this payment gateway also provides them the additional information. And this has helped them to do their entire reconciliation in a very fast manner. So this is just one opportunity that we captured in the education sector. Plus, on the education capturing, for example, now a lot of colleges and schools want to go online, and they want to say that, boss, I want my parents to be able to pay the fees online. So we are also developing a solution where people can come onto our ICICIbank.com, choose the college that they want to make a fee payment, capture the details that they want to pay, and make a payment. So that way, a lot of these things, so for example, today all of us are quite used to paying utility bills on the online, but fees we still pay physically. This will ensure that more and more people start making their payments for school payment fees, for colleges fees, also online. So this is one of the small initiatives that we have done for the education sector so that they can onboard the technology platform. Thank you.